Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at this brand new product I just launched today. It's available at Sephora and I think BeautyBlender.com, but definitely at Sephora. And so this is what it looks like. It's this green makeup sponge. It's called BioPure. So it's made out of 60% plant materials. It's made out of sugarcane and it's vegan. It's made in the US and you can reuse this canister right here. It's not made out of glass, but it's actually plastic. You can reuse it to leave your makeup sponge inside. And let's see what this looks like. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It looks like kind of like the pink one. It's a little bit smaller, I think, and it has like a more defined tip, so you can get those hard to reach spots and like just like I guess contour or whatever you need to do to your makeup. And so this product is supposed to grow 2 times the size when it's wet. And so let's wet it and try it out and see how well it does. Okay, so it says this is aqua activated to help mimic pores and help create that smooth face. And then this is also latex free foam. Okay, so I'm gonna go wet this and let's see it grow and let's apply and see how well this does. Okay, so I got the BioPure ready to go. It's nice and damp and it grew a little bit in size, so we're gonna try this out and see how well this works. And I think I'm gonna do half of my face just like with my fingers like I usually do because I'm usually in a run on the go. And then with this one I'll just do that little bouncy motion and use my foundation on the side. Alright, so this is the side that I use my fingers on. It's a little bit patchy in some places and I kind of quickly applied it anyways. And then especially on my nose it's like patchy. I don't know if you can see that, but it's not like that smooth. And then this side is like a little more blended in and flawless. Thanks for watching my channel. Be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and let me know if you want to use this makeup sponge that is made out of sugar canes.